This is how you can claim your $100 welcome bonus once you sign up with a special link in my video description. Let me show you right away. So when you come to my YouTube channel right here, right? When you come here, I'll be talking about a special link that you can use to register and claim $100 welcome bonus. Now let me show you exactly how you can do it. So once you click on a link, it will take you to a new page whereby you can sign up from there. All right. This works for those who do not have accounts yet. Okay. It's only for new users. All right. Sign up to get $100 USDT trading fee rebate. All right. So there's a simple instruction you need to follow, and you need to act very, very fast. Okay. You need to act very, very, very fast so that you can claim this bonus before it's finished. Okay. Because it doesn't last for long. Right. So once you are here, all you need to sign up with your Google account. If you're using Apple, you can use your Apple ID and stuff to sign up, okay? All right, so once you sign up, what you need to do is basically to follow a simple instruction. Now, let me take you through that, right? So let's go to the FAQ over here and let's read the terms and conditions together so that you know exactly what to do, right? So we are right here, how to get your welcome rewards, okay? How to get your welcome rewards. So after registering with Binance, you will receive 3 beginner tasks, which you can access in the rewards hub, account center, or new user zone. You have 14 days to complete the task to redeem up to 100 USDT, that's US dollars, in trading fee rebate vouchers. So guys, take note of the days. You have 14 days, right? You have 14 days. 14 days. So take note of that. You have 14 days. All right. So what are the tasks you need to perform? Okay. What are the tasks you need to perform? First one, step 1, account verification. Once you verify your account with your ID, you quickly get a reward of $20 USDT fee rebate voucher. After verifying your account, you quickly have access to $20. Now it's remaining with $80 to go with. Now the second step for you to get another money is first deposit worth a minimum of $10 in crypto via P2P or fiat channel or crypto deposit. So the next step is make sure you deposit an amount of $10 minimum or above into your crypto wallet. Once you deposit that, you have access to $30 USDT fee rebate voucher. Now $30 plus $20, making it $50. It is now left with $50. Let's move. The third or the last step to get your remaining money is first trade worth a minimum of $10 in crypto. So it means you have to place a trade. It can either be on a spot or whatever you want to place a trade. Just place a trade minimum of $10 in crypto. And once you've done that, you will receive $50 trading fee rebate voucher. And guys, 50 plus 30 plus 20, it's equal to $100. That is how simply you can get your $100 welcome bonus once you sign up with a special link in the video description. All right. Once you sign up with this special link right here, that is how you'll be able to claim your $100 welcome bonus just by performing these 3 steps. The first one is the easiest one. Just make sure you verify your account and you are good to go. And the next one too is pretty simple. You deposit, just deposit, not any other thing needed. Deposit a minimum of $10 and you get $30. And the last one is trade a minimum of $10 and you get $50. And that's all right. So I think by now everybody should be able to claim his or her reward. And make sure you do this within 14 days. Okay, make sure you do this within 14 days. And I encourage you to read a little bit more over here, because this voucher over here, you can only use it within a period of 28 days. Okay, so all right, it is right here. What is the validity period of the trading free rebate vouchers in this campaign? From the date of redemption, each voucher is valid for 28 days. So once you redeem it, starting from that very day, you have 28 days to use it. If you've not used it within that 28 days, that means you are not going to have access to it again. It's going to go forever. All right, so how to redeem your rewards after completing a task. Okay, head to the rewards hub after completing the task. Click use on the specific voucher you want to redeem and follow the instruction. It's as simple as that. Okay, yeah. So guys, I hope this has been helpful so far, and kindly hit the like button on this video so that other people can equally have access to this video and learn how to redeem their $100 welcome bonus after signing up on Binance. And if you need any other clarification, feel free leave it in the comment section for me. I'll probably check it out. Right, I'm right there waiting for your comments. Okay, so this is Serene right here, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Just make sure you sign up and also make sure you verify your account, because without the verification you cannot do any other thing. And I equally have a lot of videos right here that can help you, videos about using Binance to make money. Okay, so you can come here and you find out over here how to make money on Binance. It's under my playlist column right here. Let me just show you. All right, this video right here, this is it, the first one right here, how to make money on Binance. If you come here, you're going to see lots of videos. I mean, currently I have 4 videos in this, and they are all about how you can make money on Binance. So I highly advise you check it out, since it's definitely going to help you. All right.